Imagine a van that looks simple, sounds tough, and feels like pure 1970s America. A van that artists painted, surfers loved, and hot rodders modified without limits. Today we are talking about the legendary 1970 Dodge A100 van, a vehicle that was not just transportation, but a lifestyle. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand why the Dodge A100 is still loved by collectors and custom van fans all over the world. Welcome back to the channel at Car AUG 765, where we explore classic cars, vintage trucks, and forgotten legends of the road. If you love old school machines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. The Dodge A100 was introduced in the mid-1960s, but by 1970, it had reached its most refined and powerful form. This van was designed as a forward control vehicle, which means the driver sits almost on top of the front wheels. There is no long hood, no unnecessary body length. Everything is compact, boxy, and functional. At first look, the 1970 Dodge A100 van may seem simple, but that simplicity is its biggest strength. The flat front, large windshield, and clean lines give it a bold and confident appearance. It looks like a working van, but at the same time, it has a cool attitude that modern vans cannot copy. One of the most interesting things about the Dodge A100 is its engine placement. The engine sits between the driver and passenger seats, inside a metal doghouse. This design saved space and allowed more room in the back. It also gave the van better traction, especially when loaded. In 1970, the Dodge A100 came with multiple engine options. Buyers could choose from reliable inline-six engines or step up to powerful V8 engines, including the famous 318 cubic inch V8. This made the A100 one of the strongest vans of its time. It was not slow or boring. In fact, many A100 vans surprised muscle car drivers at traffic lights. The driving experience of the Dodge A100 is raw and mechanical. You feel the road, hear the engine, and stay fully connected to the machine. There are no driving assists, no electronics, and no distractions. Just you, the steering wheel, and the engine sound right beside you. Inside the van, the interior is basic but practical. A simple dashboard, large steering wheel, and easy-to-read gauges. Comfort was not the main goal. Durability and usefulness were. Still, many owners customized the interiors with carpets, bucket seats, wood panels, and even beds, turning the A100 into a rolling home. The 1970 Dodge A100 van was extremely popular among small businesses. Electricians, plumbers, delivery drivers, and mobile workshops all trusted this van. It could carry heavy loads, handle long hours, and survive rough use without complaint. But the Dodge A100 was not only a work van. It became a cultural icon. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, the A100 was loved by surfers, musicians, and artists. Custom paint jobs, wild murals, big wheels, and loud exhausts became common. Every A100 had its own personality. Another reason for its popularity was how easy it was to modify. The strong chassis and engine options made it perfect for custom builds. Some owners turned it into a drag van, others into a camper, and some into show vehicles that still appear at car shows today. From a design point of view, the Dodge A100 may not be beautiful in a traditional way, but it is honest. What you see is what you get. No fake styling, no extra decoration. Just a box on wheels built to work hard and last long. Safety standards in 1970 were very different from today. The A100 has minimal crash protection, and the driver sits very close to the front. But at that time, people accepted this. Driving was about skill, awareness, and respect for the machine. Today, the 1970 Dodge A100 van is becoming rare. Many were used heavily and did not survive. Clean, original examples are now valuable, and customized vans are highly desired by collectors. Prices continue to rise, especially for V8-powered models. The Dodge A100 represents a time when vehicles were simple, strong, and full of character. It reminds us of an era when vans were more than family transport. They were tools, toys, and expressions of freedom. If you ever see a 1970 Dodge A100 van on the road or at a car show, stop and look closely. You are not just seeing a van. You are seeing a piece of American automotive history. Thanks for watching at Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with classic car lovers, and subscribe for more vintage car stories. Tell me in the comments, would you drive a Dodge A100 today?